From the first show in 1965, the Red Arrows have always been fast-paced, dynamic. There's always been something going on in front of the crowd. In 2024, people will notice the Diamond 9 is back. For me, I'm so pleased to be able to perform this famous shape again. It's a great way to celebrate our heritage. The show's still split into two halves. The first half is the more slow-paced, big wing, graceful rolls, big loops, whilst the second half, we up the tempo as usual. We had that fast, dynamic opposition passes from the synchro pair. We've got the four-ship in Hannah back. We've got those 800-mile-an-hour closing speed passes. Today, we've achieved public display authority here in Greece, and it means the team is ready to begin the 60th season. Over the years, the Red Arrows have always been about teamwork. This is a legacy that continues today with our 120-strong ground crew. Just like all of those before them, they're proud of getting 9 jets in the sky, and they know the world is watching. We just can't wait to bring this show home, and we really hope everyone back in the UK and our supporters abroad can really join us in helping us celebrate our Diamond display season.